Welcome back to my channel, Forever Diverse Journeys. If budgeting your travels feels like solving a Rubik's Cube, then you need to watch this. Want to see the world, but keep your wallet as full as your Instagram feed? You're in the right place. Hey there, fellow wanderers. If you're looking to stretch your dollars while globe-trotting, stick around. First up, flight deals. Use apps like Hopper or Skyscanner to track and grab the cheapest flights. Your dream destination might be just a notification away. Next, accommodation. Skip pricey hotels and try house sitting or home exchanges. You'll live like a local and save a ton. Third, food. Eat where the locals eat. Street food and local markets offer delicious bites at half the price of tourist traps. Fourth, transportation. Use public transit or rent a bike. It's cheaper and a great way to explore. Lastly, workspaces. Find co-working spaces with day passes or free Wi-Fi spots. Cafes are your new office. So whether you're in Bali or Barcelona, these hacks will keep your budget in check. Bonus tip: use a VPN to find cheaper flight deals. Sometimes prices vary based on your location. A VPN can help you access better deals. Another hack is to use travel rewards credit cards. Earn points on everyday purchases and redeem them for flights and hotels. It's a great way to save on big expenses. When it comes to staying connected, get a local SIM card. It's often cheaper than international plans. Plus, you'll have better coverage. Don't forget to carry a reusable water bottle. It saves money and reduces plastic waste. Many places have free refill stations. Lastly, use travel apps to plan your itinerary. Apps like Google Maps and TripIt can help you organize your trip. They make sure you don't miss out on any must-see spots. Let me share a personal story. On my last trip to Thailand, I used these hacks and saved a lot. I ate delicious street food, stayed in a cozy home exchange, and used public transit. Plus, I found an amazing flight deal using Skyscanner. And my favorite cafe became my office. These hacks made my trip unforgettable and budget-friendly. Happy travels and see you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more tips and tricks.